Good morning, students. I hope you enjoy your holiday and I hope that whatever we are given the homework you have completed in your notebook. So today I am going to teach you EVS. So standard 3rd B, I am the class teacher. So I am going to teach you EVS and maths. So today I am going to start a first new lesson, our environment. Now let's see here. I have written here hard words and some meanings I have given. So everybody listen here. Materials. Materials means can be made. Material means can be made. Environment. Environment means nature. Nature means paryavaran. Then stones. The houses are built of stone. Rocks. Rocks means a peak or the dry solid part of the earth's surface. Part of the earth's surface. Soil. Earth. Earth means kharab karne. River, a large quantity of water, a flowing substance. A large quantity of water, a flowing substance. Means then streams, a small narrow river. A small narrow river. A small narrow river means bahane. Hills, a flock of rubs. A flock of rubs. म्हणजे हिल्स बघितले काय तुम्ही? हिल्स मीन्स टेकड्या. लेक्स, a large area of water surrounded by land. A large area of water surrounded by land means talav. Jungles, a dense forest. Everybody maybe have seen a jungle. Then fields, wheat fields means we crop the wheat fields. शेतात तुम्ही भात वगैरे पिकवतात त्याला काय म्हणतात? Then barren. Barren means infertile. Barren means infertile. Bushes, a small tree which has woody stem. A small tree which has woody stem. Again we have different meaning. It is the shrubs. Then climbers, one who go ups. One who go ups. Another meaning is a person or animals that climb. A person or animals that climb. Example, leopard. Leopard climb the trees. Then grains. Grains means wheat. Dhanya. Blooms, a flower specially one cultivated for its beauty. Blooms means a flower specially one cultivated for its beauty. Again I am telling you here, materials can be made. Environment, nature. Stone, the houses are built of stones. Rocks, a peak or the dry solid. A peak of the dry solid. Then soil means earth. River, a large quantity of flowing substance. Bhane. A stream, a small narrow river. Hills, a flock of rubs. Then lakes, a large area of water surrounded by land. Means talav. Jungle, a dense forest. Fields, a wheat fields. Barren, infertile. Bushes, shrubs, a small tree which has woody stem. Climbers, one who goes up. One who goes up means a person or animals that climb. A person or animal that climb. For example, leopards are climbing the tree. Then blooms, a flower specially one cultivated for its beautiful. Is for its beauty means आंब्याला आता मोर येतात. कुठल्या पण झाडांना पालवी फुटले की मोर येतात त्याला काय म्हणतात? ब्लूम्स. नाउ अगेन I want to tell you insects. Insects means it is a insect pest, किडे. Then bird. Bird means a compact growth of a plant. It's developed into a leaf, flower and shoot. Means bird म्हणजे काय? कळी. Birdला काय म्हणतात? कळी. Then so student, you have to write these hard words in your notebook 2 times. And you have to learn it. So now I am going to explain you a lesson half. So look here, our environment. Look at the picture along the side. Who can easily name all these things? What materials are they made from? And where do we find this material? And what are the uses of this thing? What are the uses of this thing? So bat. Bat is made up of wood. So it is made from the what? It's made from the wood and we use for it is to play. Then second, what is this? This is a picture of pot where we keep the cool water for drinking. Then cup. चिनी मातीतनं बनवलेलं असते cup. It is a made of chini mati, so we use for to drink tea. Thread. It is made from the cotton. Now you can make these things too. Where do you find them and what they are used for? Look this. This is a picture of fruits. It is a banana. We use this banana to make a medicine or for eat. Then avla. It is used to make what? It is used for hair. Then this is what? Sweet corns. Maize. Then look here. Take a look around. There are many things around us and they form our environment. There are stones and rocks and soils. There are rivers and streams and lakes. There are rivers and streams and lakes. There is air. There is a air. There are hills and mountains. There are hills and mountains. Everybody have seen a hills and mountains? There are jungles. So there are fields and houses and road and also barren land. Barren land. Barren land is what I have given here in fertile. So we also see many different animals around us. Different types of trees and bushes and climbers make our environment beautiful. We too are a part of this environment. Now look here. A sparrow and a roadside stone. Now let us look a stone and a sparrow in a surrounding and compare them. A stone remain where it is. A stone म्हणजे काय? दगड काय एका जागेपासून दुसऱ्या जागेवर जाऊ शकत नाही. So it remained in one place. So it place changes only if someone pick it up. म्हणजे when we are have you seen a stone, a small stones, small children are picking up and move it. Then only see a pick it up and move it. It doesn't eat. म्हणजे stone काय खात नाही आहे. So it is doesn't grow bigger. Means he doesn't eat, so it doesn't grow bigger. It doesn't have babies. It doesn't have babies. Stone ला बाळ नसतात. It don't have baby either. Then it's not the same with a sparrow. Sparrow म्हणजे काय? चिमणी. They build nest. Sparrow build nest. They move here and there. They move here and there on their own. म्हणजे काय? इकडं तिकडं जातात. They eat insects and grains. They eat insects. Insects means काय? किडे. And grains म्हणजे काय? धान्य. That is why they grow. That is why they grow. They lay egg in nest. What they do? They lay egg in the nest. Little sparrow hatch from these eggs. And sparrow takes a lot of care of their young one. Sparrow takes lot of care. काळजी घेतात ते आपल्या पिल्लांची. Then why do we see this difference between the sparrow and the stone? What do you see? Look here. The sparrow is a living thing. Chimney. It is a living thing. And stone is a non-living things. Things in our surrounding from the two groups. Living things and non-living things. So living things are of two kinds. Living things are two kinds. Plants and animals. So look here. Animals have babies. Animals have babies. And seedling grows from seed. Seedling. जे आपण झाड लावतोय त्याचं काय होतंय? हळूहळू ते झाड वाढतंय आणि ते what they grow in the seedling then grow into the plants. What they grow first आपण काय घालतोय? बिया घालतोय की नाही? माती घेऊन. आणि ते झाड वाढतंय. त्याचं काय होतंय? Plants into the plants. This tells us that plants are living things. Plants are also living things. Animals are also living things. Plants do move. Plants do move. For example, when a bird blooms into a flower, when a bird, आता तुम्ही एक कळी बघितलं असेल, ती कळी जेव्हा उमलते, what they do, it become a flower, then it's become a petals and it's open. Birds is movement. Birds means कळी. But movements of the plants are not easily seen. Plants also need food. Plants also need a food. आपण आता जेवतो, आपल्याला जेवण पाहिजे असते की नाही, तसं झाडांना पण फूड पाहिजे असते. ऑफकोर्स plants do not move from place to place like an animal. Animal can move. Dog also can move one by one. But plants झाड एका जागेवर लावले की ते मूव करू शकतात का? नाही. So their roots hold them down in one place. जेव्हा आपण झाड लावतोय, रूट्स काय करते? खाली घट्ट धरून ठेवते त्यांना आणि what they do, they move down. म्हणजे खाली त्यांचं रूट्स मूळ खूप घट्ट होते into in one place. There is a big difference between the plants and animals. There is a difference between plants and animals. So student, Today I am going to teach you this much only. You have to read this lesson, whatever I had given. You have to see this video carefully. Look these hard words and meanings, and you have to write this in your notebook 2 times. So thank you.